It looks like our friends need to have a wash. Let's slick Lisa. Time to get the clean. First, let's brush her teeth. Now, rinse her mouth. Sop her up with the sponge. Hop our friends in the shower. Now let's dry her off. Much better, right, Lisa? We're at the dog adoption center. Great! You just adopt a dog. Shower time. Ready to rinse. Rinse your dog. Watch out! Don't get wet. Congratulations! Come back to adoption another dog. It's time to take care of our cat. Let's clean the cat. Looking sharp. Feeding time. Open the bag. Nice job. Tasty. Let's build the cat tower. Build the tower. It's time to get some sleep. Meow! Snore cat start to flat.